To earn in Phantom Wallet, you need to understand the basics of the Solana blockchain and the Phantom Wallet itself. Phantom Wallet is a digital wallet that allows users to store, send and receive Solana and other Solana-based tokens. First, you need to download and install the Phantom Wallet extension on your browser or mobile device. Once installed, create a new wallet by following the on-screen instructions. Make sure to save your seed phrase securely, as it will be used to recover your wallet in case you lose access. To earn in Phantom Wallet, you can stake your Solana tokens. Staking involves holding and validating transactions on the Solana network. In return, you will receive staking rewards in the form of Solana tokens. To stake Solana tokens, go to the Stake tab in your Phantom Wallet, select the staking option and follow the on-screen instructions. Another way to earn in Phantom Wallet is by providing liquidity to decentralized finance protocols. This involves lending your tokens to these protocols and earning interest in return. To provide liquidity, go to the Invest tab in your Phantom Wallet, select the protocol you want to provide liquidity to and follow the on-screen instructions. You can also earn in Phantom Wallet by participating in yield farming. This involves lending your tokens to decentralized finance protocols and earning rewards in the form of tokens. To participate in yield farming, go to the Invest tab in your Phantom Wallet, select the protocol you want to participate in and follow the on-screen instructions. It is essential to do your own research and understand the risks involved before investing in any decentralized finance protocol. Always make sure to read and understand the terms and conditions before participating in any investment opportunity.